Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. And if this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to everything data analytics. Also put on your notification button to receive update on all tutorial that we share. So today's career mindset tutorial is a reminder, but very simple and also very important in our journey. If you are a career person or you are just starting, this is just a video on how to boost our productivity. The best analysis, and to my analysts, those that are starting there, you are just starting your career or as a data analyst, or you have been there, you are there, you've started. So let me show you 3 ways on how to boost our productivity. I have tested this and it has helped me in my career, and that is the reason why I want to share it with us as my subscriber. So the best analysts don't just build dashboard, they solve problem. They solve problem. The first step is dashboard are not the end goal. It is easy to get caught up in charts, visual, color, and layout, but dashboard are just tools. They are just tools. The real value of a data analyst isn't in how pretty the dashboard looks. It is whether the dashboard answer a business question, or does it solve problem that the organization has been or facing. It is not just to build, it's not just to build dashboard. It is whether the dashboard answer the business organization problem. Does it solve problems? So and this brings me to dashboard is not equals to impact. Your impact is whether the dashboard solve real or organization problem. The second step is what great analysis actually do. If you're an analyst, the best analysts think different before they even before you open your system or you open your tools or any analyst tool that you are working with, whether Power BI, Excel, or the like. As a data analyst, you ask different question, and number one question you ask is, what problem are we trying to solve here? Second one is, what decision will this dashboard influence? The third one is, which metric actually matters? And also, which brings me to the last point, what action should this insight lead to? These are the questions that you need to ask yourself when you want to build a dashboard. It is not about the visual. It is actually about clarity, insight, and business value. And the last thing here is examples of problem solving analysis. Here is the difference. A regular analyst says, I built a dashboard showing sales by region. I built a dashboard showing customer segmentation. I built a dashboard, blah, 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 and also, you understand what I'm trying to say. But a great analyst, the analyst that thinks very well, will say, I identify that sales drop in this particular region because repeat customer order fell by 18%. Or here is a common, or you can just say that I help I help to bring down the mean time to resolve or time or to resolve issue to this so the SLA. You understand all those things? These are the things that a great analyst think. You think about, oh, this is what I want to achieve. This is what I want to achieve. This thing, not just I built a dashboard. No, you think like a great analyst. So you can see the difference now. You can see the difference between a regular analyst and an analyst that think very well. See, one reports data. The difference is clear. One reports data, the other one drives decision. Do you understand? The one that just builds reports data, you just report your data. The other one drives the decision. So remember, anyone can build a dashboard, but not everyone can solve problem. So start thinking like a problem solver, and you will stand out in your career instantly. When you start thinking like a problem solver, not just to build dashboard, to build anything, you will stand out in your career instantly. So Insight insight is equals to decision is equals to impact. So if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comment section, what problem are you trying to solve in your next dashboard? Put it in the comment section, and let's continue to grow together. See you in the next video. Bye.